What's going on, everybody? Welcome to this episode of Rock and Roll Redneck Outdoors. And this episode is the 2 months since I planted all the vegetables and started to work in the yard. So I'm going to take you through just some of the highlights, put some music over it, because it's easier that way. Hear that woodpecker? Yeah, okay. Anyway, today we're actually going to harvest some vegetables for the woodpecker. We're going to harvest some vegetables today, and I'll take you through some highlights of the yard that have changed since the 45-day episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you like all this. I got a special playlist just for vegetables. So let's get to the gardening. Damn possum in the daytime. So my garage stinks, and there's, I guess, how, I don't know how he died, but he is dead. But he stank. It's time to get his ass out of here. That's a big one. That was right. So you saw the harvest. This is the chocolate cherry tomato that I've never had before. Whoa. It's almost like eating a grape. Well, there's the tomato flavor. That was pretty good. Wow. All right, so we finished chewing. Thank you again for watching this Rock and Roll Redneck Outdoors episode. This is the first real tomato harvest that I've had this year, and I've gotten 2 more jalapenos since the ones you saw, other than the ones you saw just now, and then 1 little bell pepper that I took off the plant. All those you can see in the previous videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this playlist or the channel if you'd like. Thank you guys for watching. Garden hard.